One day, Albert Einstein was teaching a class and wrote on the board, 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. And he continued all the way up to 9 times 10 equals 91. The class broke out in laughter because Einstein made a mistake. The correct answer to 9 times 10 is obviously 90, not 91. And the students began to make fun of him. Einstein waited for everyone to be silent and then spoke. Despite the fact that I analyzed 9 problems correctly, no one congratulated me. But when I made one mistake, everyone started laughing. This means that even if a person is successful, society will notice even the slightest mistake. So, today's reminder to you is that mistakes are a part of the process. As Einstein once said, the only person who never makes a mistake is someone who does nothing. If you're not following the book, you're probably never going to see us again. But if you are, congrats. You're on a journey of continuous growth.